What up everybody, how you guys doing today? Today I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the Spirit Halloween new for 2023, the Thresher. Alright guys, so this guy is absolutely awesome. I saw him come out months and months ago, almost a year at this point. And he was $350, which is not really, in my opinion, worth it for a static prop. He lights up, he sets stuff, and he's an archway. He's like 10 feet tall almost. But I just don't think $350 was worth it for this guy. Then he dropped down to $209, and I was like, okay, really? And then I got a 20% off on top of that, which made it down to like $160 something, which absolutely is worth it for this guy. So I want to do this. I have a lot of ideas for him. One that I can't say yet because I'm going to announce it at some point soon. And then I have a bunch of ideas for my yard. I want to have him either the regular archway, or I'm going to also try something else that I don't want to spoil yet because I don't want anybody else to steal my idea. So yeah, let's get straight into this unboxing. So coming out right here, we have the clothing and the arch, actually like clothing and the stuff you can pull back, like the curtains. There's a lot of it in there. It seems pretty nice quality from what I can tell. It looks like kind of similar to Possessed Pumpkins clothing from Spirit Halloween. Let's try to take one of these hands out. Wow, these are some really nice quality hands. I thought they'd be like burlap or something, but they're actually just regular plastic, and the welds seem pretty all right. Yeah, they seem really nice. Like wow, nice. Right here we have one of the arms covered in foam, obviously, to make kind of like a thing. Yeah, only for the unboxing really. And then he's gonna come straight back down until Halloween. Here's another arm. All right, so right here is actually one of the base pieces. So basically what there is it's four of these, one on each side, and they will hold him up. So you don't have to have like a metal piece going through. I know that was a lot of people's problems with the archway clown and the archway ghoul. So that you don't have that here. And these are awesome because literally you can just stake them right into the ground and they will stay where you want them to be. Here is the second one of those. Right here we have a third. And in here we have some of the leg pulls. I believe there's some stupid number like 16 leg pulls on this guy. If there's like 4 per side, then yeah, that would be 16. But yeah, here's 4 of them. I'm not gonna take them out just because that would take forever. Okay, so here is a lot of stuff. We have the control box. The top of it, we have this piece. This will be like one of the back forms. Okay, this is a really huge piece. We have, okay, this is not connected in. Okay, thank God. So we have the shoulders right here, which are pretty massive, if I may say so myself. We have the rest of the leg poles and this huge piece, which will go on top up here, and then there's the control box. So a lot of stuff coming out in one right there. Here is another hand. Once again, good quality. Wow. This guy has an absolutely huge head. Huh. So it's actually latex over a plastic shell, which isn't what I thought it was. I thought it was going to be like just burlap or something like that, but no, it's latex. So that's pretty cool. We have the last base piece right here. We have the instructions. I don't think we'll need them today, but maybe, because I heard that clothing is pretty hard to get on, and I'm not sure exactly which clothing goes on first and all that. We have some sandbags down there. Don't really need to show them. You guys know what sandbags are. And then we have the adapter, which of course we will use at the end. All right, so that is going to do it for the unboxing portion of this video. Now let's get to the setup. right, guys, so I got them all set up. Let's try it.
Say goodbye to life and light, and say hello to endless night.
All right, guys, so that was the Thresher. This guy took me a very, very long time to set up, probably the longest time lapse I've ever had. I also almost broke the thing. Actually, I kind of did. I broke one of his welds. I mean, it might have come like that, but I'm not entirely sure. But yeah, it's all right though. I should have had somebody else with me. And it's not a big deal either. It's not like he's won't stand or anything. That's good. I'm sure if I took some like really good tape to it, it would be fine. So yeah, that was the Thresher. So he is absolutely ginormous in person. The one thing I'd say, which is never usually a complaint I have about Spirit, is even at top volume, he's pretty quiet. He's not exactly loud. I feel like this would be one that you'd want to have really, really loud, but it's just not, which kind of sucks. But it's all right, I guess. So this guy retails for $350. Now, for a static prop, I'm not really sure if that's worth it, but what he's going for now on sale is $209, which is absolutely worth it for him, definitely. Because yeah, this guy is huge. Like, I'm 6 foot and I have this at eye level right now. And yeah, and I'm 6 foot and I can comfortably, very comfortably fit under here. So that's awesome. I really kind of was worried that I wouldn't be able to fit under him. Like, it might only be like a kid's thing, but no, you can totally walk under him unless you're like 7 foot or something. But yeah, definitely going to be using this guy for a lot this year. He's absolutely awesome. If you can put a 20% off coupon on top of that too, then it's absolutely really, really worth it, because that brings it down to $167, which, yeah. All right, guys, so I will leave a link in the description if you like to purchase the Thresher. I will also leave a link in the description to my merch. Thank you guys so much for watching. Aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace.